Zil-e-Huma hai. I'm the campus director of Xenia School of Hospitality. So people do ask me all the time, why did you even start with this kind of business? So reason was that I'm born and bred abroad. So यहाँ Pakistan I saw some few lacks in the system. So I thought instead of complaining side पे, let's start the institute where we can train people in this field. So we have the great facility here. We give different kind of courses, culinary, baking, hotel operations, you name them all. So as far as the affiliations are concerned about foreign affiliations, so we are affiliated with CTH-UK and RSPH. इनमें भी हमारे पास different kind of programs हैं from 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. इसमें you get the right pathways भी बन जाते हैं, so it's easy for students to take 1 year here and then go abroad. अच्छा यहाँ पे हम सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि स्टूडेंट सिर्फ आते हैं, they attend the classes and they leave. We believe on the practical side of the studies. So we do arrange different kind of tour groups to different properties where our students get the right exposure for the insight in the real world. इसमें स्टूडेंट्स को बड़ी अच्छी डीप अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो जाती है कि जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं उसका बाहर इम्प्लीमेंटेशंस कैसी हैं. And that's a very good, students love it and so do we. So यहाँ पे startup से लेके अब तक हमें ये समझ पड़ती है when people think they know, कि हमने ये करना है hospitality में, ये करना है culinary में, but once they walk in they need more guidance. So we are here to guide you whatever suits you for your own future. So you can be a student who comes in for a culinary course for 6 months and then you really want to take the baking as well and we guide you accordingly. So हमने बड़े प्यार से इंस्टीट्यूट बनाया है, बड़ा मेहनत की है हमने. So I really hope कि अगर आपने इस इंडस्ट्री में थोड़ा सा भी आपको इंटरेस्ट है, आप इसमें एक्सेल करना चाहते हैं, तो प्लीज़ do come and visit us and I promise you won't regret.